Okay, I'm back, and we're going to use this Cisco Frozen ordering sheet and the stock app. So on the Cisco Frozen ordering sheet, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go through and actually do a count of all of these items. And so you have the item, you have what equals 1. So this whole column here is what equals 1. So in this case, 8 half gallons of almond milk equals 1. So if I have a full unopened case and I have 8 half-gallon cases, eight half gallons as well, that equals 2 because I've got the unopened one plus this one. My frozen cherries, sorry, apparently it's 20 pounds or 2 bags equals 1. And then here's when I count it as 1 versus 0. So if I have less than a half a case of almond milk, I count that as 0. If I have less than a whole bag of broccoli, that is 0. Less than a whole bag of cherries is 0. So again, take the quiz. I'm going to go over to my computer. Now your store computer should have a shortcut. Go to your shortcut bar and go to your bookmarks and go to the stock app. Okay, so this is my stock app, and again, I'm just going to follow my 13-step procedure. Sorry, my 16-step procedure. Sounds like a lot, but it's actually really easy, I promise. So the very first thing, all items put away, use the order sheet, fill everything out, mark everything as 0, open the stock app, sort by vendor. So I'm going to go from the products page, right here from products page, I'm going to sort by vendor, and it says use default vendor is checked. I'm going to do my drop down, I'm going to find my Cisco order. So in this case, 3XW Cisco Frozen and Milks. I'm going to hit save, and that's going to pull my 16 products from the Cisco page. If I click on this button right here, it sorts everything in alphabetical order. Sorry, this button right here, if I click on the word product, it sorts it all in alphabetical or reverse alphabetical. I'm going to check the box, which is going to highlight everything, and I'm going to add it to a reconciliation. I want to create a new reconciliation. This is now meaning that I'm counting all these items. And the items right here, actual count, this should mirror exactly the same thing that is in my book here. So let's see. Almond milk, coconut milk, acai, acai, banana, banana. Okay, you get the idea. All I have to do now is go through and fill out each item to match what is on my sheet. So once I've done that, and I've added all these things in here, I've filled all this out, get to the bottom of the line, I'm going to hit save and adjust. Now when I save and adjust, that's going to create my new amount. I go into products. Again, I'm following the list. I'm going to filter the exact same group. Save. Now this time, instead of adding to a purchase, to a reconciliation, I'm going to add to a purchase order. So I'm going to add to purchase order, create new purchase order. I now have my order of all the items. And what this does is this takes the par amount, or the maximum we want to have for the store, the reconciliation that you just took, and it figures out what the difference is. So if your manager always wants you guys to have 3 cases of bananas on hand, and you only have 1, it's going to automatically order 2 cases of bananas for you. Fills out all these items, and then when you're done, you're going to hit save to save the order, and then it's going to ask, what do you want to do with it? Do you want to send it? And you want to send it, and it'll automatically email to the manager and to the Cisco rep. So that is the basics of the ordering system. Please go through the books. When in doubt, the 2 things that you have to do every day is check the calendar to see what are you supposed to order, and then follow that 16 steps to do the orders. Don't wing it. Don't guess. We have to do actual counts. If you order too much, we simply don't have the room to store it, or we're going to have product that goes bad. And if you don't order it timely, then we're going to have you standing in front of a customer who's frustrated, and you don't want that, and neither do we, and neither do they. So I appreciate it. Any questions, give me a call. Thank you so much. 512-619-8822. Call me anytime.